Little bit more. Hello guys, Jayon is here. Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Finally, we did this marathon. I just wanted to share with you a couple of the benefits of the marathon, apart from the health benefits, actually. Actually, it was very interesting and very funny. After 4 years back to the marathon. I did first in Istanbul, 15 kilometers, now 10 kilometers in Qatar. Let's see how it goes. No, sorry, not this one. Yeah, let's see what we have here. Nice. Good one. This is 42 kilometers, guys. But maybe change my mind. I'm gonna boil these ones. I was thinking like there will be less people actually in this 42 and 21. Actually, it's more. You see the 42 kilometers and 21 kilometers are already started their journey. Let's see how it's gonna go. You know what? Because roads are closed, I need to do another 10 kilometers to reach to the place where I'm gonna run 10 kilometers back. Which makes me theoretically 21 kilometers almost. Yeah? If you take into account another 1 kilometer that I spent with the taxi driver. Anyway, yalla, let's see. Everyone is running in that side. Hey, those are the people. I'm still walking. I cannot imagine I just reached. And all those people are here. 3,000 people. It's not easy to beat them.
Jay, it's late.
Man, I did 10 kilometers from there already.
You did 21.
Yeah.
Very good. This is the last one for the
Let's start. found her. Catching up the side, hopefully. You know this guy? Final find of hell. Still on, still keeping up.
Still on the battery.
We are alive for now. We have to go another 5 kilometers maybe. Yalla!
See you. Little bit more.
are you?
Hello.
We did it, man. Finally. How do you feel? You feel better?
Good man. Yes.
Need water. I need water. Swimming. Nice start for the year. Enjoy. Nice. Rumesia, show me something. Thank you, Rumesia. As you have seen in the video, I failed to arrive to the place on time. Actually, I arrived on time, but the thing is that the roads were closed and the metro also was closed. So I tried to run around with the taxi to find out the way to go to the place where this. So basically, I was on the 10-kilometer slot, so it took me for a while to reach that point. So it was very funny, and because I got tired when I reached there, so after 10 minutes, the race started. And my family is arriving. I supposed to make a video. Yeah. Thank you, guy. Thank you. I need to go. I need to go to my room at this stage. Yeah. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you. Bye bye. So I actually went to guest to my friends so I can shoot this video at the same time shoot other videos, but I failed to shoot this video on time because I was having a chat with my friend. So friends, let's talk about the benefits of the marathon. So marathon was very fun. So first thing first, it's very much interesting and funny, and you come across with different personalities. I feel you have seen the kangaroo guy who was walking around, who was actually walking, and there was another guy who was actually racing with his kid. Second benefit is understanding your limits. Okay, understanding your limits. It was for me. I was thinking like at 5 kilometers, I felt like, okay, I don't want to do this because I'm mostly like weightlifting guy. I don't like to do the cardio. So I was thinking myself, okay, should I stop at this stage and just don't move? Because I was feeling a dizzy. I already did 10-kilometer walking, so I will not be able to do that marathon at all. So actually, I started to push forward, like, let me do another 500 meters. Let me do another 500 meters. Let me do another 500 meters. And I met at that point my coworker Alexandra. Then I met my second coworker on the way, Saeed, and we started to run with him, and we met another guys that were chilling out there, just trying to support the runners. So at that point, I feel like I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, and mentally I started to work on my mindset, like I can do this, and I actually outrun my limit. Maybe my limit was 5 kilometers at that stage. Always working on my limit on the way that I am running, I managed to do this at the end. The third one, you get to know a lot of new people there actually. The thing is that I arrived a little bit late. I didn't have a time to warm up there and just meet new people. Alexandra and Said was there. They met a lot of new people. You meet a lot of people on the way. You talk with them. You just get a good network. Yeah, it's also very funny to know people from different backgrounds, different cultures are at the same time. It shows like kind of friendship. This is the fourth benefit. It's like you show the humanity are racing against their limits in the one line. Yeah, everyone was there. Everyone. I just literally checked them. I literally checked the race results. There was a lot of nationalities, a lot of from UK, from USA. Kenyans were there. Of course, the Kenyans outperformed everyone. Moroccans there, Egyptians, everyone. Like from every part of the world, you will find someone who is racing in that marathon. So it was really culturally diverse, and everyone was very much happy, and we were doing this together. Another benefit was like you every day you are doing the routine stuff. Yeah, you go over to work, you go to workout, you do some other things, you go to the restaurant. As I told you, is the part of the being a community, like community is doing something and you become the part of that thing. That was my 5 benefits of the marathon, apart from the health benefits. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I hope next year I will be doing the half marathon, and I'm trying to be in the within the 100, the ranking wise within the 100. So hopefully this year I did 783, I guess. I was 800, and I don't remember the Alexandra. So basically we were in the within the 1000. There was 8,000 people doing this marathon. That was very much exciting, to be honest. And yeah, hopefully next year we'll be doing more strategically. It was like random decision to go to the marathon. Let's see how it's gonna work next year. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Just share this with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'm continuing to put more and more new stuff here in the YouTube. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.